Hey guys, welcome back to Microsoft Hates Greg YouTube channel all about MSHGQM and now potentially other things as well. So I was on with Reed Havens, Havens Consulting last Friday, and he had mentioned Sunday today, and he had mentioned while looking at MSHGQM, he really wanted a tool where he could basically, he's tired of going in here and going to each one of these columns here, go to column tools, click on sort by, and then, set the sort by column. Apparently he's got a pretty sophisticated date table, calendar table, and he's got a bunch of these sorts that he has to create every single time. So he had mentioned that, and I was like, that's kind of a cool idea. Wonder what we could do about that. Well, it turns out that over this weekend, I created this power sort feature. I can use this zoom. Ooh, look at that, zoom. So power sort now. So now, including Quick Measures Pro, with they'll be releasing with Enterprise DNA. Plan is to have this power sort included as well. So what power sort does is very simple. Launch power short, launch power sort, and you get a display like this. Gives you instructions on how to operate it, but it's real simple. You want to edit your sort text so you can identify your sort columns. So if you use like underscore sorts or just, month sort, all one word, whatever it happens to be, as far as your naming pattern goes, adjust this up here. Say find sort by columns. It goes through all of your columns in the data model and tries to match them with sorting columns. And sometimes you get a false positive like here. And I won't explain why this happens on this one, but if you do get a false positive, all I have to do is hit unset. And as you can see, I've identified two sorting columns that correspond with month and year month. I click on my set sort by columns. It says I'm finished. Now your data model is going to refresh. Bing. All right, come on, refresh. I got a lot of windows open right now. And now if I go to column tools and I go to my sort by column, it's already set to month sort. And if I go to my year month column and I click on this and it's set to year month sort, and that's it. It's as simple as that. So now Enterprise DNA subscribers will get access to this tool when we go to launch. And hey, if you want a free version of this tool that doesn't require an Enterprise DNA license, like and subscribe and let me know in the comments that you'd like a free version of this tool, and I could probably work something out. Also, you have ideas for new tools, man. It took me, maybe 5-6 hours to put this together. The next one should be even easier. So, all right, that's it for this video. Hope you guys enjoy these tools. I'll see you next time.